I get a judge to see the need to relocate to a different state with the kids? Every state is going to have some type of statute or law that explains what do you need to do if you want to move. In Illinois, if you live in Chicagoland, if you want to move more than 25 miles from where you live and you have 50% or more of parenting time, you need your spouse or your ex to either agree to that or you need to get court permission. And there are a list of, I think, 12 or 14 factors that the court looks at. And the big ones are, what is the new life going to be like for the kids in that area? Why are you moving there? Are you moving there because it's a better cost of living? There are better schools? Do you have family support there? Do you not have those things in the place that you're moving from? The big thing, though, that I think is less intuitive to people is one of the huge factors is how are you, the parent who's moving away, going to help facilitate the relationship between the kids and the parent who's staying? A lot of clients come to me and they're like, my ex is terrible. He never spends time with the kids. He's a real idiot. And they're really just dragging them through the mud. And that attitude, if that's how they're framing it to the court, it's probably going to bite them in the butt because the court might think, well, if I let this person move, she's never going to let these kids, see their father, and she's not going to make it easy for them. So you need to really make that part of your case from the very beginning that you're going to help facilitate the relationship. Does it help your case if the other parent is not involved? Yes, it does. In Illinois, the court even will consider, are they not paying child support as a factor potentially, especially if the place that you're moving is going to provide better economic opportunities. With a game plan, because I also see a lot of clients who have all these kind of ideas floating in their mind, like, oh, we're going to move to this county or maybe that county or here or there, this school. Or you need to pick a lane. You want to be able to show the court this image, like this, paint the picture for them of this life that the kids are going to have. And it does require really good discovery work. You're probably going to need to depose your ex-spouse and do some good discovery questions to them so that you are prepared to go to trial, because these relocation cases are difficult to settle. And you can understand if you were in your spouse's shoes and they said, hey, I'm moving across the country with the kids, too bad, so sad for you, you would be horrified. There does need to be a mechanism for the court to evaluate that. And I've successfully tried many of those cases, and they do often go to trial. Because again, it's really hard to settle, because how do you settle between, Illinois and California? Like it's going to be a massive change, one way or the other.